Online English lessons, prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are used to relate the position or location of one thing in relation to another. For example, the cat is on the mat. The location of the cat in relation to the mat. And the cat is on the mat. Now, prepositions of place are very important. Using the wrong preposition can completely change the meaning of a sentence. For example, the man is at home or the man is on home. Very different meanings. The preposition on is used to position something in line with, next to, on top of, or attached to something else. For example, the dog is sleeping on the floor and the food is on the table. However, when we're talking about transport, we use on for public vehicles such as trains, buses, and planes. I love travelling on trains. And next up, we have at. At is used to talk about a specific point. For example, let's meet at the park, or the boy is at school. And then we have in. In is used to position someone or something inside of something else. This can be inside a large geographical area or a 3D object. For example, I have a pen, ruler, and pencil in my pencil case. The pen, ruler, and pencil are located inside the 3D object, the pencil case. Big Ben is a famous monument in London. The monument Big Ben is located inside the geographical area of London. Pause the video here and have a go at filling in the blanks. I am school. I am my bed. My room is the second floor. The fish swim. The river. The school is the end of the street. We can also use some more precise prepositions of place to give more information about the location or the position. And these prepositions of place can be used to answer a where question. For example, if someone asks, "Where is my phone?" you can answer, "It is underneath the cushion." Up first, we have above. The ceiling lamp is above the dinner table. And if you look at the picture, you can see that the lamps are hanging directly above the dinner table, which is below. Then we have on top of. The coffee cup is on top of the book. The coffee cup is directly on top of the book. Between. The cat is between two dogs. Between refers to an object in the middle and an object either side. In this case, we have the dog, then the cat, and then another dog, making the cat in the middle and between the two dogs. And now we have under, underneath, below, and beneath, which are all synonyms. In this picture, we can see the dog is under the table. We could also say the dog is underneath the table, the dog is below the table, and the dog is beneath the table. Now we have next to. In this picture, the washing machine is next to the dishwasher. these two items are side by side. The washing machine on the left and the dishwasher next to it on the right. In front of. The car is parked in front of the house. The car is in front of the house. In this picture, we have the house in the background and the car in the foreground. Opposite. We are sat opposite each other. In the picture, you can see two men sat directly opposite each other and looking at each other. When sat at a table, you're often sat opposite someone. And if you're watching this video on your computer, you are likely sat opposite your computer.